Hello, thank you for joining us. This is a short video to provide an overview of Promotional Management Group's Global Healthcare Products Industry Case Study. It's a review of the top-line impact assessment and findings. If you'd like more information about Promotional Management Group or how to get a copy of this case study, you can visit pmgontheroad.com. That's pmgontheroad.com. Promotional Management Group brought a surgical theater on tour and visited several locations throughout the continental United States. Tour visitors were invited to complete a short survey as they exited the event, and a total of 782 visitors completed the survey. Overall, participants were extremely happy with the tour, with a total of 98% of all visitors reporting that they were satisfied. 97% of all surgeons that visited the tour said that they were satisfied. One challenge of the tour was to make sure they were targeting the right type of surgeons, and we found that 61% of surgeons performed 51 or more relevant surgical procedures in the past 12 months. On average, surgeons completed 100 or more relevant surgeries per year, which told us that we had the right target segment. When asked how likely they were to use the client's products in the future, 83% of surgeons surveyed said that they would use product A in the next 12 months, and 70% said that they would use product B. When asked about their recommend intention, surgeons presented similar figures, with 83% saying that they would recommend to a colleague product A, and 76% reporting they would recommend product B. Overall, it was concluded that the tour presented about a 770% return on investment to the client. This return on investment was calculated from using a simple but relatively impactful model. A total of 188 surgeons were surveyed as a part of the mobile surgical theater. 79% of those surgeons performed surgeries that were relevant to product A but had not used product A before, while 67% of those surgeons did surgeries relevant to product B but had not used that product before. This led to 149 leads for product A and 125 leads for product B. 83% of surgeons said that they definitely or probably would use product A in the future. 70% said they would definitely or probably use product B in the future. We estimated that 80% of surgeons will actually do what they said they were going to do, and this led to 99 new users for product A and roughly 70 new users for product B. When we take into consideration the average uses over 12 months, as reported by the surgeons, we can conclude that approximately 4,350 new uses of the product can be expected within the next 12 months. When we multiply that by the value per surgery as reported by the client, and then subtract costs and divide by costs, we can see that the overall return was at least 770%. And that 770% is expected to increase as the tour continues and startup costs are amortized over the life of the tour. Thank you again for your time. If you'd like to see a copy of this industry case study, you can do so by visiting Promotional Management Group's website directly, and they're located at pmgontheroad.com. That's pmgontheroad.com.